See, the biggest issue is that we cannot look at Assam only as Assam. We are a part of Northeast. And if Assam does well, if it prospers, it affects all of us in a positive manner. But if there is any turbulence or trouble, it indirectly affects all of us. We are all bordering Assam, whether it is Mizoram, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, or Tripura. We all border Assam. And we would like the government of Assam to take certain steps so that there is development in the entire region of the Northeast.
Sir, what the big issue is the big challenge of the Assam in that the debtors coming from the Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Is that this tenure will be resolved this issue?
See, I don't think the Bangladesh issue can be resolved by a chief minister of one state. It has to be resolved by a policy or the government of India, and this has to be taken at the highest level. We all are aware that illegal migration, whether it is in Tripura, whether it is in Mizoram, Meghalaya, or Assam, is something which will affect all of us. Our communities are very less in numbers. Our population is small. So, if we have to think about our next generation, we have to stop illegal migration from neighboring countries.